And this is the app to show to help to determine the x and the y intercept turning point. Just press start, and then you put the values of a quadratic equation that is given in the form of a, b, and c. Then you're going to determine the x, the y intercept, and the turning point. So this exceptional tutorial service subject that is covered: grade 12, grade 8, grade 7. This is the area, and this is the addresses and the emails, and then this to tell you whether it's an increasing or decreasing function, depend on the value of that you put it on your quadratic equation. So we're determining the x-intercept. So dividing by 1 all of them, and then determining the x-intercept. Now determining the y-intercept, then determining the turning point. And that's it.